Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guys how to connect earbud, Bluetooth earbud guys you want to connect in your Vivo phone. So as you can connect it, and guys now let's see how to connect this Bluetooth earbud to our Vivo phone. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you connect it. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos friend. So it's now time to start video. First of all open your phone settings, so we will on it guys. Now you can see Bluetooth and devices, so we will have to click here and guys on your Bluetooth and guys click on new device, and guys we will take out these earbuds. So you can see guys these lights, and guys refresh it. So you can see guys this earbud guys put on, so you will have to click here, then guys it will connect in your phone after 5 to 4 seconds guys. So you can see guys earbud has connected in our Vivo phone. So guys you can use your earbud while watching movies, listening song, cartoons, whatever you want. So I hope friends you have understood how to connect Bluetooth earbud in our Vivo phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet our next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.